Have you experienced that a scarf always falls down? Can't be covering your nose. I have an easy method to make your scarf stand and fit your face. Take a scarf folding in half, then use 2 clips to mark the middle line. This wire I bought in Panland. This is for gardening. Now I'm using for making masks to fit my face. Measure wire length with your hand from top of middle finger to wrist, then cut the wire. Or you can use thin wire. Just use few wires grouped or spin together to make it strong. Roll the wire into edge. Let it hide into the scarf. Stitching the edge along wire until wire end. Washing hands with soap or cleaning hands with sanitizer before put on scarf. Remember, taking a mask is important, but not everything. Cleaning hands is also important too. Put on a mask to cover your face. Adjust the wire to fit. Then, put filter inside the scarf. Make sure covering nose and mouth. Washing hands with soap or cleaning hands with sanitizer before and after changing filter. Use dirty hand to release the tie lightly, then take down the scarf. Don't let the dirty hand touch inside and take out the filter. Then use a clean hand to replace the new filter. Make sure to cover your nose and mouth. Washing or cleaning hands again after changing filter. Wash the scarf immediately when coming home. Don't let the virus in the scarf spreading in your home. Wash or clean your hands again after put the scarf into the washing machine. Always washing hands and clothes when you come home. Take shower immediately. For filter or epidemic prevention information, click the links below the screen. Save life and take care.